Hey guys, welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. Today I'm going to take you through a quick 15-minute evening yoga session to help you relax with very beginner friendly stretches and wind down for the night. So get into something comfy, roll out your mat, let's get started. Alright then, let's begin with a seated position at the center of your mat. Sit tall through your spine, relax your face, roll your shoulders back, arms wherever comfortable to you. It can be on your knees or your ankles. Close your eyes if you'd like to, and just breathe. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take a moment to slow down, mentally preparing to give yourself these next few minutes to be fully present here. Deep inhalation through the nose and out through your mouth. You can roll your shoulders back with every exhalation to avoid any slouching that you may have. We're keeping it easy, nice and breezy. This is a wind down practice. Open your eyes if they were closed. Now take your hands and hold on to your opposite elbows behind your back. And gently start with some neck rotations from side to side to let go of any stiffness that you've had from looking at the screen during the day. Take it slow and easy, and maybe start with some clockwise rotations all the way to the back. Doing 5 rotations in the opposite direction as well. Exhale, release. Now inhale and raise your arms up all the way from the side. Stretch all the way up. Exhale and bring your arms down. Again, inhale, extend your arms up. With an exhalation, bring your arms down. Stretching your upper body with an inhalation by bringing your arms all the way up. And easy going down with an exhalation. Let's do 2 more of these. Inhale, extend your arms all the way up. Exhale, arms down. And one last inhale, extending the arms up. And this time interlace your fingers, stretch all the way up. Exhale, cactus the arms, bend the elbows, and pushing them all the way to the back. Deep breath in. As you exhale, round your back, hold on to the opposite shoulders like you're hugging yourself. Inhale, arch your back, pushing these cactus arms all the way to the back. Exhale, and this time we move to eagle arms. Your right arm wrapped under and around the left arm. Bring your right fingertips to press into your left palm. Draw your elbows down, stretching the top of your shoulders. If eagle arms feels a little too much, you can always continue to hold on to your opposite shoulders. Just find a variation that works for you. Inhale, release, and cactus arms all the way to the back. Exhale, back to the eagle arms with right arm wrapped right under and around your left. You can also bring the backs of your hands together in case you find pressing into your palms really difficult. Inhale, release, cactus arms to the back, bringing your chest forward. Exhale, eagle arms, this time with your left hand wrapped right under and around your right. Drawing your elbows down slowly. Few breaths here, enjoying the good shoulder stretch on the opposite side. Inhale, release, and cactus arms to the back, bringing your shoulder blades together. Exhale, one last eagle arm with your left hand under your right. Elbows drawn down. With an inhalation, we release and bring our arms down. Now slowly come on to a tabletop position with your toes touching and your knees spread out a little wider. Palms directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips, and maintaining a neutral spine. A few rounds of easy cat-cow poses. Inhale, arch your back, gaze up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tailbone in, bring your chin to the chest. Inhale, drop your belly, gaze up. Exhale, slowly round your back, bringing your chin to the chest and tuck your tailbone in. Continue to move at your own pace and flow with your breath. Inhale, arching your back, gazing upwards. Slowly exhaling, rounding your back, tuck your tailbone in. Now slowly resting your hips down into a child's pose. Staying here for a few breaths. Maybe walk your fingertips away from you to give a nice stretch to your back. Melting your hips down into the mat with every exhalation. When you're ready, walk your fingertips back and lie down on your mat. Extending both legs out. Bringing your arms above your head interlocking your fingers and giving a nice stretch from your toes to your fingertips. Release, bend your right leg and hug your right knee towards your chest. And when you're ready, slowly guide your right leg towards the left with your right knee touching the ground. Extend your right hand out to the side and use your left hand to really push your right leg to the ground. Release, one last hug to your right leg and extend your right leg out to the end of the mat. Your left leg is feeling a little left out, so bend the left leg and hug your knee closer to your chest. Guiding your left leg to the right, extending your left arm to the side and gaze to the left. Bringing your left leg back to your chest. And now hugging both your knees. Gently rock from side to side. Release and extending your legs out in Shavasana. Feet splayed outwards, arms facing away from you, palms facing up, fingers naturally curled. Close your eyes. As you lie here, take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. This is your end of day practice, so let go of any tension that you might feel in any part of your body. Staying here for as long as you like. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me in this evening wind down practice. If you enjoyed practicing with me, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And let me know if you would want me to cover something in the comment section below. Until next time.